This is Optic Hobby. Pick your team number 3. Good luck. Yeah, I think I only have. I only have this one case. I think. Because if I counted the correct amount of cases in football right now, I think there's 7, right? So if that's the case, then this is all you're getting from me right here. I know. I'm going to be in California this weekend, too. So long as I'm feeling better, that is. Good luck, guys. Alright, I think I have gold. I think I do. Alright. I'm pretty sure that's gold. Somebody gets the gold for 20. I don't know if that's really gold or not, but it looked gold to me. Guess whatever that gold looking thing was for 20. I don't know if it's really gold or not, but it looked gold to me. Quorum on the hollow. Aqua of CMC. Could be. Oh. Team logos of Adonai Mitchell. University of Texas. 14 of 32 on the team logos. BC. I have an auto. And it's my boy. Nice true blue of McMillan for the Bucks. Tampa. Macau. Nice hit. That's my boy. Electricity of Cousin Puka. Anybody hit any nice Joe Alts out of this? Oh, who hit it? Who hit the Pandora auto? Make sure you tell them to sell it to the hammer. That looks gold to me. Flex of Keenan Allen for the Bears. Dead Dogs. True Red of Benson. True Blue of Sutton. Orange of Kool-Aid. Pink Velocity of Hicks for the Chiefs. Taylor. Next. And that looks good to me. It's a rookie gold of some sort. Oh, it's a primary colors gold. That's what it is. And it's a good one. It's the newest member of the Cowboys. It's Joe Milton. Gold for the Patriots. And Knox gets in on the Milton. 10 of 10. Goes to the Patriots, the newest Cowboy. And the Joe Milton gold primary colors is how we started. Anybody gets Joe Milton? It's going to be a special case, I think. Still no downtowns or nothing like that. I know they're not guaranteed in every case. Salazar, what's up, buddy? Alright, let's recap it real quick. I guess Milton, by the way. No guess. Recap. That was a nice box. True gold primary colors of Milton, 10 of 10. And a true blue of Jalen McMillan, University of Washington. It's okay. I mean, trust me, I get juked out by lots of different colors. It wouldn't surprise me if it wasn't gold. That's why I said guess what I thought was the gold.